Hey, if you're a bookkeeper, fractional CFO, or tax advisor, and you feel stuck trying to grow your firm beyond referrals, or you've been dabbling in marketing, but you're not seeing any real results, this video is for you. This video goes beyond the technicalities of marketing and instead dives into the root cause of why many business owners are not successful: the mindset. Here I'm going to list out common mental blocks I've seen hold many of my clients back and how to overcome them yourself. The first mindset is relying on hopium. We've all heard of that one traditional firm that somehow made it without doing any marketing and relying on doing just quote unquote good work. And we think that this is the way to run our business. But they've likely built that success over 20 to 30 years, grinding nonstop, undercharging, over-delivering, and just praying that clients will walk through the door. That might have worked before the internet was everywhere, but now every successful business has a website, has marketing in place, and competition is higher than ever. So waiting for referrals alone will no longer cut it. And it's not that referrals is bad, but relying on them as your entire strategy is not really a strategy. You're building your business on hope, not intention. And not to mention, if a large chunk of your client base disappears one day, you're left with a hole you don't know how to fill. Instead, clients I work with who actually wins don't wait around for things to happen. They make it happen. They launch the marketing campaigns and the website. They experiment, they iterate, and make decisions before they feel 100% ready. So if you're doing hope marketing right now, stop waiting around for clients to find you. Instead, go build the marketing system that brings them in. And on to my next point: implement fast, fail faster, learn, and repeat. Too many firm owners get stuck in analysis paralysis. You keep researching for the best solutions and waiting for the right time. But let's be real, the right time was probably 6 months ago when the problem first showed up. If your business has been stuck and you spent the last 6 months thinking about it and doing nothing, ask yourself, what does that delay cost you in terms of revenue, momentum, and opportunity? A quote from Tony Robbins is that the difference between success and failure is massive action. In marketing, speed is your advantage. The faster you implement, the faster you get data, the data gives you direction. Let me give you an example from my own journey. When I first launched my marketing agency, I thought targeting businesses with high employee counts made sense. They seemed like they have the budget for my services, but after running campaigns and talking to prospects, I realized my best clients were smaller firm owners who have been in business for 2+ years and has solid client experience, proven business models, and now needs help growing more consistently. I didn't figure that out by guessing, but by doing. And that's the key. You can't think your way into clarity, you have to act your way there. So if you've been sitting on an idea, waiting for a sign to implement a better website, start a paid ads funnel, or try a new marketing strategy, this is your sign. Start now. Get your first round of data. Adjust, repeat. That's how progress happens. Number 3, don't be a dabbler. Unfortunately, your Instagram page won't grow by posting once a month. Your website won't convert if it's just sitting there untouched, and your marketing won't work if you're only giving it 20%. So if you're gonna market your firm, commit to it. Your competitors are likely working much harder and more consistently than you, and they're getting the clients to show for it. Instead of spreading yourself thin trying to do everything, focus on one method at a time. Get a positive return, then move on to the next channel. That's why for most accounting firms that are just getting serious about growth and have a budget to work with, I recommend starting with paid ads on Google or Meta. Because unlike organic content, paid ad works even when you're busy. You're paying for reach, attention, results. It keeps running on your behalf, generating leads when you're in meetings, doing client work, and taking the weekend off. On the contrary, social media posting is a long game. It does work, but only if you have the time, consistency, and creative energy put into it. Most accounting firms don't, and at least not in the beginning. So if you're ready to set up a competitive paid ads funnel that actually gets clients, click the link in the description, book a free consultation, and I'll show you exactly what's possible for your firm with the right strategy in place. Lastly, is stop trying to do everything yourself. I get it, budget is limited as a business owner, so the instinct is to DIY everything yourself or hire overseas for cheap to do it for you. But doing it all yourself or not getting the right help often means wasting months or even years on things you're not meant to be great at. Time you could have spent actually growing your business and serving clients. I can't tell you how many countless WordPress or GoDaddy website templates I've seen from clients that don't bring in leads. Not because the business owner is dumb, but that it's because they're not specialists in SEO, persuasive copywriting, website design, performance optimization, or lead generation. Alex Hormozi said it best: if someone has already done what you want to do, copy their model. There are people who already figured out how to turn websites into a lead generation machine. There are people who know how to set up a marketing system that run without you. Use them and learn from them. You don't get extra points for doing it the hard way. So instead of trying to learn everything from scratch, leverage people who can help you get results faster, better, and without burning out in the process. So let's recap the points here. First is stop relying on hope marketing. You need a repeatable system, not wishful thinking. Second is implement and test quickly. Clarity comes from action, not overthinking. Third is don't be a dabbler. Pick a method, go all in, and master it before moving forward. Lastly is stop trying to do everything yourself. Get help from people who already done what you're trying to do. The person that wins isn't always the smartest or most experienced. They're the ones who are decisive, implements fast, and moves forward even when it's messy. If you want different results, you gotta take different actions. And if you're ready to build a real marketing system that works while you're focused on serving your clients, I'd love to help out here. Click the link in the description to book a free consultation on our website. We'll take a look at your current marketing system and identify what's not working and map out a clear plan that actually brings client in the door. Thanks for watching, and remember, you don't need to get it perfect, you just need to get it going.